arrived in张家界yesterday afternoon. We did the meow costumes and Sarah really enjoyed that, didn't you, Sarah?
Yes.
So today we're up early. It's just after 8:30, and we're going to explore the Avatar-style mountains here in张家界. And this is probably one of the most popular tourist destinations here in Hunan province. We're on the cable car. Sarah, you alright? You're not scared, are you? No. You're lucky. Whoa, look at that. That is spectacular, isn't it? Vicky's busy getting the photo. 100 selfies in the cable car. So I've managed to get my my arm out the window to get some footage. Can you hear the wind? Yeah. We're at the top. Time to get off. Okay, let's go. Just got to be done when you're in张家界. You've got to get some drone footage. I got my drone safely back. I used the 5G module. I was flying 2.5 kilometers and 400 meters lower than where I am. But I think I've got some amazing shots. It's something I've wanted to do for so long, and I've achieved that now. I've got some great drone footage of Avatar Mountain.